Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your search history on Safari for iPhone, so you can actually keep your browsing clean and private. So first, simply open the settings app on your iPhone, and from here, simply scroll down to Safari. Next, tap on it to open your Safari settings. So you then have to scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. And you then have to confirm by tapping Clear History and Data in the pop-up. So this removes all your browsing history, search history, and cookies. So if you want to keep the website data but only clear searches, you can also open Safari, then tap the book icon, then the clock icon, and click Clear at the bottom. From there, you can also select last hour, today, or time, depending on what you want to remove. And after that, your Safari search history will then be cleared and your browsing experience will be private again. And that's it. So that's how to clear your search history on Safari. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.